PlayStation is one of the most well-known companies in the world when it comes to gaming, with them having the most sold consoles in the world, having some of the most amazing titles when it comes to gaming, and also having some amazing movies and some shows. But as of late, PlayStation has been doing some weird things, and well, it could actually affect what PlayStation stands for. So let's talk about it. Ever since the new CEO of Xbox came in, Asher Sharma, who has actually been doing some amazing things for Xbox and has been slowly bringing Xbox back to where it used to be, there has been some weird things happening to PlayStation, which is kind of odd. Now, the first one we're going to say is not really PlayStation's fault, but rather some governmental issues. Now, for me that do not know, it was announced not too long ago that, well, there'll be age verification needed for communication on the PlayStation platform. So if you want to do voice chat or even message your friends on PlayStation, you basically have to verify your age. Now, this is currently only based in the UK and Ireland, but there are talks of this actually spreading to the whole of Europe, some parts of USA, and Australia. But obviously, this is not PlayStation's fault. This is actually more of a governmental issue where they're also wanting to try to protect some users from obviously bad language, which, I mean, hey, to be fair, gaming has lots of that. So, but now let's talk about issue 2 with PlayStation. Now, for many of you that do not know, PlayStation said they will not be releasing any more of their games on PC and trying to get more exclusive for the console. Now, to be fair, obviously, this is a smart move to try to keep obviously more people going to PlayStation. But it was revealed from an ex-executive from PlayStation that, well, PlayStation actually made more of an income from PC games. So it's bringing up some questions of should PlayStation actually really be putting their games from PC? And let's be honest, the reason why PlayStation is mostly doing this move, because while you got Steam that's making their Steam machine, and they have Xbox with Project Helix, which will also be allowing you to actually have access to some PC storefronts, which does include accessing to PlayStation games. But now goes to the final issue that just recently happened, is the all-new DRM for the platform. Now, for me that do not know what DRM stands for, DRM means Digital Rights Management. Now, the best way to really summarize what a DRM is, it basically helps studios to prevent piracy for their games. So let's say someone tries to copy your game and distribute that to other players without obviously having the right license. The DRM is supposed to prevent anything like that. But as of late, PlayStation has recently updated the DRM, where some users are actually reporting that they are going to be losing access to their games if they aren't active on the console for 30 days. Which, yes, if you do buy any digital copy of a game on your PlayStation or the PlayStation Store, you could most likely lose access or your license to that game if you are not active. Now, this is actually obviously a big issue because I recently did a YouTube short covering this, and a lot of viewers actually asked me some basic questions that are very relevant. What happens if you go on a holiday that exceeds, let's say, a month? Does that mean you're going to lose access to that game? Most likely. And let's be honest, this is mostly going to be pushing more of an online presence for PlayStation games instead of having access to offline. But of course, these are some of the issues that are currently happening with PlayStation that's currently going to be affecting a lot of users. But do let me know in the comments below what you think of this whole situation with PlayStation. Do you think PlayStation will eventually fix some of these issues? And do you think PlayStation could actually do something to say sorry to the users? Because, well, some of these issues are a big effect to their player base. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Be safe as always, and have a good day onwards. Bye.